we'll guide you through how to fix the Google Docs loading issue. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, a weak connection can cause loading issues. Next, go to the Google Docs website, and if it still doesn't load, try clearing your browser cache. To do this, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, go to More Tools, then select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to check cached images and files, and then hit Clear Data. After that, close your browser and reopen it. Then, try accessing Google Docs again. If the issue persists, you might need to check your browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with Google Docs loading properly. Go to the Extensions section by clicking the puzzle piece icon, or through the Settings menu, and disable any extensions you suspect might be causing the problem. Sometimes, simply turning them off and on can resolve the issue. If none of these steps work, try using a different browser to see if the issue is specific to one. Google Docs is generally optimized for Chrome, so if you're using a different browser, switching to Chrome might help. Lastly, ensure your browser is up to date, as older versions may have compatibility issues with the latest Google Docs features. You can usually find the update option in the browser settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.